Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add an ULTA gift card to the app, and it's very easy to add an ULTA Beauty gift card. So first what you need to do is actually add items to your cart or your bag, okay? Select the products you want to purchase and add them to your shopping bag. And once you are ready, you just need to head to the checkout page and then just select gift card as a payment method. So during the payment stage, you just choose the option to pay with a gift card. So you cannot do this before in your profile. You need to do this at checkout, okay? And then you just enter the gift card number and PIN, okay? Input the 16-digit, gift card number and the PIN in the designated fields. Then you can just go ahead and apply the gift card. And once you've entered the information, just go ahead and click on apply or a similar button to apply the gift card to your order. And then you can go ahead and complete the purchase, right? If the gift card covers the entire purchase, great, you're done. But if not, you'll need to add another payment method to cover the remaining balance. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.